Here are some fruits that you may want to consider eating daily along with their benefits. 1. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which can help boost immunity, promote digestive health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. 2. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support heart health. They also contain fiber and vitamin C, which can aid in digestion and boost immunity. 3. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C and K, which can help reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and support cognitive function. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which can help boost immunity, improve skin health, and aid in iron absorption. 5. Kiwis. Kiwis are a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help improve digestive health, support immune function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Mangoes. Mangoes are high in vitamins and C, as well as antioxidants, which can help support eye health, boost immunity, and protect against certain types of cancer. 7. Pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which can help aid in digestion and reduce inflammation. It is also high in vitamin C and manganese, which can support immune function and bone health. For more videos, please subscribe.